Hey guys, today we're talking about the Jetboil MightyMo. This little guy is an incredibly lightweight and simple stove with an incredible price to match. I'm going to show you what makes it so cool. The MightyMo is Jetboil's latest addition to the Mo family of stoves, which are all about incredible simmer control and cooking performance no matter how far into the backcountry you get. The MightyMo is the lightest weight and most compact of the bunch, and weighs in at just 3.3 ounces. So as you can see here, the fins fold down for storage, so this thing compacts ridiculously small. It's ultra stowable and super easy to pack, so you basically won't even know this thing is there. So the MightyMo is super easy to set up, which I'll show you here. But basically it comes with a fuel canister support, which is great when you're cooking because your pots are not going to tip over as easily. And then all you do is fold the fins out like I showed you, and then this just screws right into the fuel canister. So once you get it screwed in, you turn on the gas, and then you just hit the push button igniter, and you're good to go. Here's what makes this little guy so cool though. Yes, it's tiny, but it's actually got a 10,000 BTU burner in there. And to give you some perspective, most 2-burner car camping stoves have two 10,000 BTU burners. So they're packing a lot of power into this little package. It'll boil 1 liter of water in just 3 minutes, and one of these 100-gram fuel canisters will let you boil 12 liters of water. Now that's just insane for how small this thing is, no matter how you spin it. That's a lot of power, but the more important thing is you get Jetboil's incredible regulator valve technology. Most stoves go from closed to wide open with just 1 turn of the valve, but Jetboil has engineered all their stoves so you actually get 4 full turns of the valve spindle. That means incremental fuel flow adjustment and a consistent heat output from a light simmer all the way to a rolling boil. And that means you can boil water for coffee or cook perfect eggs with the same stove. It's really like having your kitchen range with you in the backcountry. Beyond that, the MightyMo gives you a lot of options in terms of what cookware you use, so you can just as easily use a frying pan or a pot, and you're not limited to just one thing. Like all things Jetboil, fuel efficiency is at the top of its class with the MightyMo, and that's especially true when you pair it with Jetboil's FluxRing frying pan or cookpot. You get consistent performance down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, and like the rest of the Mo family, you get a push-button igniter and a fuel stabilizer so you don't have to worry about whatever you're cooking tipping over. So with the MightyMo, you get an incredibly powerful stove in a ridiculously lightweight and compact package. At $49.95, it's perfect for groups of 1 or more heading out into the backcountry who want to eat really well but still value keeping things as light as possible.